Oh, hey, this is Seymour Movies.
And I'm Scott Sterling.
So today, on New Interviews, we are going to bring you our thoughts on these movies.
We will be reviewing 3 movies. 3. That defy Newton's laws on motion.
Mr. Sulu, set course for Earth.
Yes, sir.
In the scene shown, Newton's first law is blatantly disregarded when Sulu kicks the Enterprise into warp drive. The crew should have experienced a lot of inertia due to how fast the ship was accelerating. There's still inertia in space, so the crew should have been thrown around like beans in a maraca. This kind of thing happens in a lot of sci-fi movies, just like when the Millennium Falcon goes light speed.
You know what, man? I agree. However, this is perhaps a more accurate depiction of what space travel would look like in cinema history.
Ludicrous speed! Go! What have I done? My brains are going into my feet. What the hell was that? Spaceball 1. They've gone to plaid. We passed them! Stop this thing! We can't stop. It's too dangerous. We've got to slow down first. Bullshit! Just stop this thing! I order you! Stop!
We will now be moving on to Newton's second law.
We will be showing a clip from Home Alone 2. So, from the scene, Marv gets hit several times with a brick.
The scenes weren't shown in the one clip, but he does get hit many times before this clip shown.
The brick is accelerating really fast from a high building, so the force is going to be very high. We researched this, and someone proved that Marv would have died from skull fracture and epidermal hematoma.
For Newton's third law, we have scenes from Fantastic Four.
Fantastic Four, that is.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more.
In that scene, the thing stopped a massive truck that was moving at a very fast speed. So it must have taken a lot of force to stop that truck, which, since Newton's third law is every action has an equal but opposite reaction, there should have been a large force exerted on the thing also. But he just stays still throughout the whole thing. So that makes no sense. He should have moved back when the truck hit him.
Wait, but don't superheroes have superpowers?
You might say that, but in a scene later on in the film, you could see that the thing is easily moved.
So that is it for today on Newton Reviews.
See us yesterday when we review Newton's fourth law.